In a poignant and widely shared incident from Ilkal in Karnataka's Bagalkot district, a moment of empathy and understanding unfolded at Kanthi Circle, where PSI SR Naik, a female sub-inspector, became a symbol of compassion and humanity. The story began when a group of students riding triple on a motorcycle was stopped by PSI Naik, who intended to fine them for their traffic violation. However, the situation took an emotional turn when one of the students broke down in tears, revealing that the fine money he had just paid was meant for his college admission fee. Moved by his plight, PSI Naik's response was both heartwarming and exemplary. She consoled the distraught student, offering him an embrace that symbolized her understanding and empathy. Going a step further, she returned the fine money from her own pocket, ensuring that the student could still pursue his educational aspirations. This touching act of kindness did not just end with monetary support. PSI Naik took the opportunity to advise the students on the importance of following traffic rules, emphasizing that safety and discipline are crucial for their well-being. The video of this incident has since gone viral on social media, resonating with many and highlighting the human side of the law enforcement. It serves as a reminder that behind every infraction is a story, and sometimes what is needed most is not punishment but compassion and understanding. PSI Naik's actions have set a powerful example, showing that discipline can be maintained without losing sight of humanity.